Hello, we are from University of Malaysia Pahang. We are so excited to join Imagine Cup 2016. We are under the category of World Citizenship. My name is Teo Wei Chong. I'm the presenter. This is Alan, the researcher. This is Ng Yong Kang, the programmer. This is Ke Min Kiong, the designer. So we are Hey! So without any further ado, I would like to talk about our ideas. Before I begin my presentation, I have an experience I would like to share. This happened a few weeks ago. A few of us went for a trip and we rented a car. So on our way back home, my friend was driving and I was sitting at the side. Suddenly I noticed that the car started to shift off lane, and I find that he was tired because his head was started to knock, and I offered to drive. So we shift the car to the side and we switch. After that incident, we were lucky because I noticed it earlier. If not, we might end up in a car accident. This kind of problem is faced by everyone, including my family. So after that, we decided to go for studies on that. So for our very first, this is our problem statement. How do we prevent car accidents due to drowsiness? Based on the Department of Traffic and the Road Safety Department 2012, there were about 17,288 car accidents which were caused by drowsy drivers. Among them, 2,000 are fatal car accidents and the rest are non-fatal. And the Proton Eye Research Group from UTM shows that, they did some experiment and shows that a decreasing trend as drivers go from the state of being awake to being drowsy. Means that when they were driving, their heart rate started to decrease from the being awake to being drowsy. Next. Based on MIRRORS, the Malaysian Institute of Road Safety Research, for a total of 445 cases of car accidents, there are 70 cases of car accidents due to fatigue, which is 16% of the overall amount. Next. Based on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration data, drowsy driving causes more than 100,000 crashes a year. So it is necessary for us to create a new alert system that will let the driver stay awake. And they also did some experiment which a driver's heart rate and breathing rate are good indicators of drowsiness. But for our application, we use heart rate and motion to detect drowsiness. Next. So for our purpose, we aim to create an application that can prevent car accidents from drowsiness. So our application is designed to be easy to use and user-friendly, and our application are more focused on road users, especially long distance drivers. Next. So this is roughly our ideas. We use the heart rate and motion with the aid of a Microsoft Band, which is paired with the smartphones, with our application in it. Then we run the whole progress. Next. So for business model, how do we sustain our application? We targeted on 3 groups: the individual users, private companies, and the government. For individual users, we offer 1 month trial. After 1 month, if they want to continue use our application, then they will have to subscribe. These things go with the private companies and the government. But we will offer a special package where, for example, if 20 people of their workers subscribe our application, then we'll give them something like 50% discount. Next, in future, our application can be modified and can be paired with any types of bands. Also, our application can be used in Android and iOS. Next, for the summary, I would like to sum up with a golden circle. The reason why we are creating this application is to prevent car accidents due to drowsiness. By creating this application, we can improve the alertness of the driver when they are driving. So we create this application, which we name it as VibeMe, that is easy to use and user-friendly. So now, I would like to do a simple demo for our application. Basically, this is our home page of our application. So when the users use their Microsoft Band, they are currently displayed in the home screen. Once the drowsiness is detected, there will be pop up a notification. At the same time, your Microsoft Band will be vibrating. So, if the driver insists to continue driving, then they have to push this button. But now, we go for the navigation first. So, our application will directly link with the Windows map, then direct the users to the nearby R&R station, where they can go and have some rest, or they can go and grab some drinks and have 30 minutes power naps in order to recover themselves from tiredness. So basically this is how our application works. Now we go back to our setting. So this is our setting. There are two choices, vibration and alarm sound. The reason why we implement this is for the vibration, it is suitable for a deaf user. And also some of the users might think that alarm sound can be sometimes horrifying, so they can just put on the vibration. But somehow it depends on the user. They can just use vibration or alarm sound, and even they can use both. So this is how our application works. Thank you.